My internship at FINRA helped me prepare for my career by helping me develop my professional communication skills. With the support of my colleagues and my manager, I learned to not be afraid to make mistakes and to just learn from them and move on.
This internship is packed full of learning opportunities stemming from the weekly intern events as well as the training sessions. I've gotten experience into diversity, equity, and inclusion planning, as well as witnessing how human resource management policies get planned and also implemented.
I think the biggest realization that I've had in the past 10 and the remaining 2 weeks that I have in my internship is how much people are willing to invest in your growth. I didn't really see it until I took that chance and just started reaching out to people, and man, they're so willing to just help out, like jump on a call, take time out of their busy days and teach me and let me shadow them.
I felt like throughout my training and throughout the internship, I learned about many different products and different rules that I never knew existed, and this was very interesting to me.
Independent work and problem solving, learning how to manage a busy schedule, work around meetings, learn to deal with a flexible schedule, and then also just completing projects on my own time, independently, working through problems that arise.
The internship at FINRA is helping me to prepare for my career by expanding on my data analytics and storytelling skills, in addition to the wealth of connections I have been able to make here.